Welcome to my channel guys. In this video I will tell you how to fix Notion app not opening problem. So please watch the full video. Let's get started. First of all, you should have to long press on Notion app. After that, tap on app info option here. Now tap on storage and cache option on the third number. And here first clear the cache by tapping on this button below. Now tap on clear storage to clear the phone storage. Now okay, the cache and storage has been cleared. So now close this app and go to Google Play Store or App Store if you are using iOS or iPad. And here tap on search option in the bottom right corner. Now tap on search bar on the top and here type Notion and now tap on OK. So here you can see update button option. So simply tap on this to update this app to the latest version. This will fix the issue. So hope this video will help you. Thanks.